Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify integrate Shopify checkout into a no-code front-end step-by-step clearly. Start by opening your preferred no-code platform where you'll build your front-end. Create a new project within the platform to house your Shopify integration. Access your Shopify admin dashboard in a separate tab or window. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar of your Shopify dashboard. Locate the Manage Private Apps option at the bottom of the page and click on it. If this is your first time here, you may need to enable private app development by following the on-screen instructions. Once enabled, click on Create a new private app, fill in the app details such as name and email as required. Set the necessary permissions to allow checkout processes and product visibility. After saving, note down the API key and password generated for your private app. Return to your no-code platform where your front-end project is located. Look for an option to integrate APIs or add custom code sections in your project. Add a new API request for the Shopify checkout using the URL https://your-store-name.myshopify.com/admin/api/2023-01/checkouts.json. Replace your store name with your actual store name in the URL. Set the request type to post to initiate a new checkout. In the request headers, include your API key and password for authentication. Construct the body of the request with necessary checkout details such as line items and shipping information. Use a JSON format to specify the items in the cart along with their quantities. Validate the JSON structure before sending the request to ensure. Execute the API request from your no-code platform to create a checkout in Shopify. Monitor the response to confirm the checkout has been successfully created. Capture the checkout URL from the response data. Utilize this URL to redirect customers upon initiating the checkout process in your front end. Test the entire flow by simulating a checkout through your front-end interface. Ensure all steps function seamlessly from product selection to checkout redirection. Review any error messages or issues that may arise and troubleshoot accordingly. Once confirmed, your integration is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.